Just a few hours away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With a bus stop nearby, getting around is hassle-free. But a holiday isn't all lounging about. Show off your athletic prowess with a spot of windsurfing. For anyone feeling really adventurous, take a peek at the big beautiful world below us, with some of the best scuba diving in the world. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.